Model, 2018 Renault Trafic Sport LL29 DCI 95 needs engine replacing, no VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 151798. MOT, 6 June 2025. Engine, 1598 cc R9M DCI 120. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: the engine will need repair and go replacing. Not sure what's wrong with it, but the cylinder head has been removed. All of the parts are in the bag. Nothing is missing whatsoever. Easy to put another engine in or repair it, up to you. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, air-con. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.